demo number 3 of the Saudi game development, and as you can see, I'm working hard on the bot development. I'm writing currently right here some code that will determine how a little dot moves across the screen and interacts with other characters or other bots from other users. I haven't built the other user interfaces yet, but I'm just designing the simple interface to make bots, and I'll show you how it's going. I'll just finish this up here, and currently I have it so that a bot will get. I'll show you here. I made some code here that what it does, it creates bots on the screen. It'll in the array. It'll I'll show you right here. I have it so that when you push the mouse button, it'll actually like generate a new bot into the array, and it'll place them on a random location from 500 x500 to y300. I just put a random 10 in there, just plus or minus. There's plus, and I'll show you what it does. Just let me just finish this here, and okay, that should work. Okay. It's running now, and you'll see that one single blue dot that I originally was doing for trial, just to get me going on the project. It's still there. I haven't erased it yet. But watch when you push a button. It'll actually. I have it really sensitive. It'll every 50 milliseconds. Every 50 milliseconds. It scans for input from the computer, and thus if you hold the mouse button down, you'll see all these dots appear. That's because they're randomly getting put at the 500 by 300 area, plus or minus 10 pixels. And what's happening is all these little dots are actually entities, and I'm going to be writing code on the next little bit here that's going to make these move around like they're alive. But that's just stage 1. But stage 2 will have me where I can build walls and build kind of like some kind of like defense, and then other users can build their walls up, and then you can make these little dots fight each other. It's a very simple game, but I got some good dreams for it, and I'm hoping it's gonna take off. But I just have to, a little bit at a time. You'll see, like, it's 186, which is it's a lot of little dots in there. And later, I'm gonna build a zoom display where you can zoom into it and see them closely. But that's not really important at this point. At this point, it's important to develop how the interaction is with these dots and how they actually work, and that's the next step. It's very, I've only written 220 lines of code, and all it does so far is make a black screen come up, place some dots. It shows you the dot coordinates, and the arrays get somewhat populated, but I think it's coming along nicely, slowly but surely. And that would do it for the demo up to this point. Demo number 3 of the what am I calling this? I'm calling this the state of the Invade. I'm hoping that that name hasn't been chosen before. Let's do a quick search here, and let's hopefully And it looks like that the game name hasn't ever been used before. So good. My next step is to make a website that's going to use this name, and that way no other game companies are going to use my name, because at this point this is my game. I want to keep this game going and see how far it takes me. But at this point, I hope you've enjoyed demo number 3, and adios. That's burndata at Hotmail. Okay, later.